Hi everybody, welcome back to another rendering tutorial. Today we'll be drawing Stitch from Lilo+stitch. I'm Mark and I'm here with
Cora.
Cora. You excited to do this?
Yes.
How come you picked Stitch to draw?
Because he's my favorite Disney animal ever since I was a little kid.
Yeah,
I love him.
You love him. I think he's cool too. Okay, so let's start doing this. Ready? So grab yourself a Sharpie, piece of paper, and some markers.
Colored marker.
Yeah, colored markers, and we'll begin. Okay, so what I will start doing is I'm going to draw the top of Lilo's and Stitch's actual head right here. But his ears are going to be flapping down, as you can see with this image right here on the left. So when we make the top of our head, we're going to start right about here, and I'm going to go up like this, and I'm going to hook over like that, and I'm going to come back down, leaving about the same space on both sides of my paper. Okay, and then right here, I'm going to come down and stop right about here, and then do the same on the other side. So we're going to have a slight curve to it. I'm going to come down like that. Okay, so now I'm going to draw his eyes, and the eyes are going to be these egg shapes, but they're going to be angled this way and that way a little bit. So, and they're big eyes. You're going to have big.
Yeah, he looks so cute.
He's cute eyes. So we're going to draw like a shape like this up here. I'm going to do one like egg shape up there, and the other one on the other side. Like that. And then over here, in between, we're going to draw the nose. So we're going to draw a nose like this. Okay, great. Now I'm going to draw a small circle here, like this inside of the eye.
It's kind of a big circle.
It's a big circle there. And then I'll draw a smaller one next to it. And then we'll do the same on this side. We'll draw one here. That's the same size as that one that you just drew. And then a smaller one next to it. And then over here, we're going to draw the pupil on the inside like this. And this will be black, so I'm just going to go ahead and color that in right away using my Sharpie. And I'm going to draw the same shape on this side. I'm going to blacken that in.
He's starting to look cute already.
Yep. All right, so we have the head with the eyes and the nose. So the next thing we'll do is let's draw the arms in. Okay, we'll finish this bottom part here. So the arms, what we're going to do is start right about here, and watch carefully because we don't want to go in the center. There's actually going to be, like, if you could actually draw a small shape like that right in between and leave two openings. So the reason we're going to do that is because we're going to draw the hand. So we're going to draw one hand like this that's coming up, and then there's like a little bump for a finger, and then it rounds like this. We're going to leave it open at the bottom. Don't connect them. Yep. And then we'll do the same on this side. We're going to come up on this side like this, and then there's going to be a small shape like that on this side. Okay. Excellent. And if you need to adjust and kind of fill in some lines, that's fine, no problem. Okay, now we have his hands. And now we're going to draw his legs there. He's kind of sitting on the ground. So I'm going to draw this shape. It's almost going to be like a square, but that has like rounded corners. Each corner is going to be rounded. So it's almost not a circle and not a square. It's kind of in between. So I'm going to draw something. And you want to maybe come out to the edges of your head. Okay, so the foot's going to be pretty good size. All right. and then keep some space in the middle. All right, you don't want to be coming too close to the middle. So we're going to start over here, and I'm going to go like this, then I'm going to come down on both sides like this. Just like that. And I'm going to do the same shape on this side. Like that. All right. And then inside of this, we'll draw a smaller shape that is almost following the same outer line. Wow, you're super fast. Okay, do it again here on this one. Okay, and then Stitch has some toes, so we're gonna do these rounded shapes like that. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then we'll do the same on the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, excellent. Now we're missing something.
We're missing the belly.
The belly, that's right. So let's make a connection right here. So go above your feet a little bit, and we'll connect this, a little curve like that. That's the bottom of the belly. And what else are we missing now?
The ears.
The ears. That's his signature shape. All right, that's right. We missed the ears. Here we go. Ready? So we can start on the right or left. It's up to you guys. I'm going to start over here. Now, these are going to be kind of sagging. So we'll start right about here. Okay. And then we're going to end over here. And you don't want to go into the foot. You don't want any lines coming into the foot. And the ear is going to come down, and watch, it's not going to go to where he's sitting. It's going to be up high a little bit, right? So we're going to come down a little bit, and then it's going to bend outward. And it's going to bend outward. It's kind of like this, like a soft S shape. Okay. And then this is going to come down and hook like this. And then he's going to have a little, almost like a little notch in the ear. And then it's going to come back up like that. And then
hit the leg.
That's okay. And then right up here, it's going to have like the ears folded over a little bit like that. So that's kind of like the back of his ear, and then it's like folded so you can see the inside. So now we'll just do the same on this side, and be careful how much space. I'm running out of space here. You can see how close I am. But we'll mirror. We'll do the same on this side that we have on that side. So I'll start down here or up here, and I'll come like this. I'll come down. And now his ear is not symmetrical. The kink in the ear, this little shape here, is up higher on the ear. So you can start over here if you want and come down a little bit, and then have that little kink in the ear happen higher up. And then you connect your two shapes together. And then come from here, see this curve here, go like this, and then widen it like that. And that's the back of his ear that's folding under.
He looks so cute.
Yep. And then I'm just going to add a little shape right here that goes above his eye. Just a little bit like that. And another one on the other side. And I'll do the same just underneath it like this. Just like that. So if you want to do that, you can. If not, you don't have to. And there you go. There's our favorite character. What's his name, Cora?
Stitch.
Stitch. All right, we are going to color this in. So I have a blue marker. I'm going to do his eyes like slightly bluish green. And then the inner part of the ears will be this pink color. So we're going to speed the video up as we color this in. And then we will come back to see you guys in a bit once we're finished. Okay guys, we just finished up our drawing of, who's this guy again?
Stitch.
Stitch, yeah, your favorite character, Stitch. Yeah, we finished Stitch and we colored him in using our markers, and I think these look awesome. These turned out really good. You like yours?
Yeah, it's so cute.
Yeah, he's cute. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so that you can see our new videos. We're posting videos every day, so come back and watch another one. Bye-bye.
Bye.